Day 603 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem where we're doing daily LeetCode problems. And today we have question number 1796, second largest digit in a string. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. But before we get started, y'all, don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you need any new Apple AirPods, go ahead and check out that link in the description so you can get you some. Now let's see what the question says. Given an alphanumeric string S, return the second largest numerical digit that appears in S or -1 if it does not exist. An alphanumeric string is a string consisting of lowercase English letters and digits. All right, y'all, so that seems simple enough, but let's go ahead and take a look at these examples just to make sure that we are doing this problem correctly. So in example 1, we have our input S equals a string DFA12321AFD. The output is 2. The explanation says the digits that appear in S are 1, 2, and 3. The second largest digit is 2. So to break that down one step further, you can see that there are 3 digits that appear in this string, which is 1. We have 2 ones, but that's the same digit. It's only the digit itself is 1. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have a 3. We don't have any other numbers in this string except for 1, 2, and 3. Out of these 3 numbers that we have, 2 is the second largest, right? So that's why we return 2, hence second largest digit in the string, right? Boom. So let's take a look at example 2 in case they try to throw a trick question our way, and there is no second largest string. So in example 2, our input S equals a string ABC1111. The output is -1. Explanation says the digits that appear in S are 1. There is no second largest digit. So in this case, the only digit that appears in S is 1, right? And since there are no other digits in S, then there can't be a second largest if there's only one digit if there's only one digit. So since there is no second largest, we just return -1 like it says to do right here. Boom. So now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the actual solution, y'all. And guess what? The solution is not that difficult at all. It's only 2 lines of code. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to declare a constant called set. We're going to say let set. And we're going to set that equal to, it's going to be a set. Open up the parentheses. We're going to say s dot compact map. Sorry, y'all. Compact map. Open up the brackets. We're going to say $0 dot whole number value. So that's going to get us all of the whole numbers in S. Then we're going to come outside of that. We are going to say dot sorted. Open up the parentheses by greater than sign. So we're going to sort those whole numbers after we get them. And then we're going to come right here and we're going to say return set dot count is greater than 1. So that's going to return, this is going to return a Boolean. So we're going to make sure that the count is greater than 1. So we don't, in case we have a case like this, right? So then if that's true, then we're going to say we're going to return set square bracket 1. So that means we're going to return the first index of the set, which will be the second largest digit. Else, if this returns false, then we could say colon, and we could just return -1, y'all. So that's all the code she wrote. Let's go ahead and give it a run. Make sure it runs properly after before we submit it. Okay, it's accepted. So now let's go ahead and submit it and make sure it's still accepted. Let's see, and look at that, y'all. 3 milliseconds beats 45.45% of users. Not too bad. We'll get those numbers up as we continue down our LeetCode journey. But for now, we just want to be able to solve the problem that is presented to us. And this is a good, simple, and easy solution to understand for that. So with that being said, y'all, I hope y'all learned something today. And I hope to see y'all here tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. See y'all then.